In this lesson, you will learn about subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. Okay, so we have a problem 7/8 minus 1/3. These denominators are unlike. I'm going to rewrite it 7/8 minus 1/3 vertically. Okay, so I need to make a common denominator. So I need to choose a number that is a multiple of both 8 and 3. I'm going to use the number 24. Oops, 24. 24. Okay, so I'm going to make these fractions have a common denominator of 24. I'm going to multiply each fraction by 1. Okay, so multiplying by 1 doesn't change the value, it just changes kind of the way it looks. So my 1 has to be the same numerator over the same denominator. Okay, in this case, I want this to equal 24, so I'm going to multiply it by 3 on the bottom, which means I have to multiply by 3 on the top. So I'm multiplying my numerator and denominator by the same. 3 over 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 7 times 3 is 21. Down here, I want to get 24 on the bottom, so I need to multiply it by 8. Multiply the denominator by 8, which means I have to multiply the numerator by 8. 1 times 8 is 8. Now I have 24ths. 21 24ths and 8 24ths. And if I subtract 8 from 21, let's see, I need to borrow, that's 11 minus 8 is 3, 13 24ths. So I have 13 24ths. Now I need to check, can I simplify this fraction? Can I reduce it down at all? Is there a number that will divide 13 and 24 evenly? Nope, 13 is prime, so only 1 and 13 will divide it, and 13 does not divide 24. So this is simplified into lowest terms. So 7/8 minus 1/3 equals 13 24ths. And that's the end of our lesson on subtracting fractions with unlike denominators.